in Russia, in Greece, in Romania. And so the churches of the East, and then in the West, Catholicism, but also the Anglicans, the Lutherans, and then you have the Calvinists. And when it comes to the United States, think of the Calvinists as being the primary, the dominant, the early history of our church, and then as our early history of our nation, and then as our nation evolved, and then in the 1900s, the rise of Catholicism with the immigrants of the Irish, the Germans, and the Italians, and then in more recent years, the Vietnamese that were heavily Catholic that came over here after the fall of Saigon, influenced by French. The French were very successful in missionary work in Vietnam. So the Vietnamese that came to the United States were heavily Catholic. The Koreans, very heavily Catholic, and the Koreans coming to the United States as well. So in recent years, we have the Catholicism coming from those branches, and of course, in Latin America with the Mexican church, the Central American church. Think about Cubans. You think about Puerto Rico, and being very heavily Catholic, and so it gives you a little sense of how Catholicism is very multicultural, reflecting various national groups that came at different times through our history here in the United States. So I wanted just to give you a quick little rundown. I know that I probably just kind of gave you a little taste of this, but I wanted to give you a little sense of Catholicism and its relationship to our other denominations. Finally, I'm going to hold this up to you and invite you just to kind of, if you're able to, maybe you can stop and you can enlarge this for you. But this is the image of the various denominations and the different branches within Christianity. And so I hope this helps you, and I look forward to chatting with you once again. Take care of yourself, and remember, you keep praying.